This is video of a webcam I set up. I came home before school got out today. I had a feeling I had someone going through my bedroom. And so I set this little bad boy up to catch him in the act. There I go. We'll fast forward about 9 minutes. There's the door opening. Gotcha. And because my computer was turned sideways, I think he caught on right there.